you know, the goal is to help as much as we possibly can. And I really just shared my own experience. The attacks that come from our own people, the jealousy or the ego or what we got to let go. My own trying to improve the tools that I don't have and sharing the message of people that don't have the voice, such as it touched on the transgender that are getting attacked down in Mexico. Two-Spirit, trying to amplify the people coming from El Salvador, Honduras, Guatemala, why they're coming, and to kind of create a path for our native journalists to be able to go down there and do the same thing that I did, and to open that door for people to just come and share a story that needs to be shared, but also not to soundbite it, also not to go down for ego and just to get likes. The goal is to really empower the community to share their story, and by doing those live feeds. See you later. By doing those live feeds, by sharing with them how to do their own live feeds. Just like in the beginning, Standing Rock, when I walked around and shared with people how to do their own live feeds. Right. And that's what we're doing.
You taught me how to do it?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you did.
And
I didn't know how to do a live feed.
Dan Acton did his first one.
Yeah.
We were on it together.
And then we taught Dan how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Myron did.
Yeah, that's right,
Myron
that's
taught
right,
him.
that's right.
And you know, we all have these tools. We got these phones, and to share a story, but we got to find our own healing, because that's the most important part I'm learning. Is I'm asking the crowd to hold them accountable for their forefathers' promises. You know, I need your help. Then I also got to apologize ahead of time, because not everyone is on the same page to have allies.
Right.
There's too much hurt, and they need to recognize that. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Is I'm still working and moving. And last night I was heavily hurt because of what I seen. I was up till 5 a.m. looking at people sending me messages of missing, their relatives missing. You know, and it really hit me hard, because I know a group down there that's kidnapping people that I seen, and I was very aware. So just wanted to share that. You know, be safe, take care of each other, and reach out to me if you're going to travel. We can set you with people down there to make sure that you're safe. But you got to be self-reliant too. Right. I maxed out my credit card down there, and I almost couldn't get past the toll. So I had to call the bank to up my credit, and it was a mess. They reimbursed it, and I was able to get money out later on. But those are the challenges. You to be self-reliant. Right. And I didn't tell no one where I was going except a select few for safety reasons, because you know I didn't know what to expect. Like Standing Rock, you know, until I got exposed with Morgan County, I was really doing the work in the background.
Right.